How are you? It's Cheri with the Bandt Live. I was in the bathroom, scrolling through my phone, got caught in the wormhole of goodness that I call adult child syndrome. You know, I'm not going to get political, but it's insane, guys. Everybody has an opinion, but if my kids acted the way that most adults do on social media, they would all get spankings because it's ridiculous. So what do we do to fix all of the bullshit? We craft. Okay, so there you go. There's some Cheri today. You're welcome. All right, so what are we doing? Okay, this is painted with that resin paint. This is the Rethunk Junk by Laura. It's very small. Rethunk Junk by Laura. I use their Midnight is what their black is called. And it is a true black. I think it's pretty much true black. 2 coats. You can still see a little bit of graining. So I have some Dollar Tree ribbon. I made these before where it's a ribbon cross. So we're going to do that today on this board. I don't have any measurements. So I'm going to see about how much we need. And I think we're going to, I might have to measure, guys. I think that's pretty good enough, guys. I think it's pretty good enough. I'm gonna hold it there. I'm gonna take tacks. Upholstery nails. I'm hoping this works. Okay, I think it'll make it more finished too on the back side. Ooh, I froze there. So see, like that? Looks like eyeballs. So we're gonna layer with this on here. And this is, again, Dollar Trio. So now I gotta figure out where I want to put the cross across. Haha, cross across. I think I might have to, what if I use wire, Allie? What if I use wire? What do you think? Because if I glue, I don't know that the glue is gonna hold it in that manner. Do you think I should try gluing that like that? Like I could do that.
What we should do probably so we don't get burned is you put glue like right in there, right in the middle, and then I'll go on either side.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. I think that's a pretty good place. What do you guys think? Cute so far.
Looks cute. Looks very crossish.
How the glue looks really bad. But we're gonna see, it's cute though.
I think it's very cute.
Now my thought was I was gonna use one of these Dollar Tree flowers, I think. This would be cute. It's just dark though. I don't know, that would be too, well,
They're nice.
what do you think about like that on there?
It's big.
Looks very, she doesn't like it. Can't see a thing.
Just straight up like that.
I think I'm gonna do this.
I've got ideas.
We're gonna do this. I think it's kind of stinking adorable. I kind of like it a lot. I think it's cute. Yeah, it looks good. Even the back doesn't look so bad. I think it's cute. Super easy, simple. This would make a great gift too, I think. Bye now. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.